Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then I'm Shaina.
Don't you cry, baby, even if it's pouring lightning. Don't you cry, baby, even if it's bullshit. Because
So in today's video we are going to discuss about the basic 5 makeup products that you might need as a beginner. So I just wanted to start off the video with a bonus tip for you guys. So that is, before applying any makeup, make sure that you moisturize your face and also you apply a sunscreen with the maximum SPF. So generally I use this Neutrogena one, the Ultra Shea SPF 50, and also I would suggest you guys to use a chapstick on a regular basis. So there are many chapsticks in the market which you can get your hands on. Some of those are the Nivea ones and the Baby Lips from Maybelline, and the one which is my current favorite is the chapstick. So starting off with the makeup part, the first one would obviously be the foundation. So here I suggest you guys to take a foundation that matches exactly to your skin shade, not a bit lighter, not a bit darker, because it's going to make you look more different from your complexion. Like your neck is going to be one color and your face is going to be one color, and that's gonna look very ugly. So take one that matches your original skin tone. And coming to the selection thing, take a foundation according to your skin type. Like if you have a oily skin, then take a foundation that matches an oily skin, because that's gonna have a different ingredient than the other one. Or if you're having a dry skin or a combination skin, then you can take the foundation that suits for that skin type. Coming to the next product, that's concealer. So here I have a suggestion for you guys. I suggest you guys to take two different type of concealers, one that is exactly your foundation shade and the other one which is 2 or 3 shades lighter than your foundation shade. So I'll tell you why. Because one that is exactly your foundation shade, wherever you have hyperpigmentation, you can use it over there, because foundation sometimes doesn't give you a full coverage. So the concealer which is in your foundation shade can help you cover it, and the concealer shades lighter is only to get the focus in your face by highlighting your under eyes, your nose and your forehead. So that was the suggestion why I gave you guys to go for two different concealers. But if you do not have any hyperpigmentation or pigmentation, you can go for a single concealer instead. You can go for the lighter concealer. So the next product that I recommend is the liner. So you can either go for a liquid liner or a marker liner. So that is again depending on your comfort or your preference. So the liquid liner which I use is from the Lakme Insta liner, and the marker liner which I use is the Maybelline Line Tattoo. Can you see it? Focus. Okay, anyhow, so these both are my favorite liners. So again, choosing a liner is on your personal opinion. Coming to the mascara which I use is the Colossal one from the Maybelline. So the specialty of this mascara is that it adds volume, and also it curls up your lashes and it gives your eye that fuller eye kind of a look, and it makes your eye look more bigger. So last but not the least, the last product in our list is the lipstick. So you can go with any shade of your lipstick or any kind of a lipstick you prefer. Like you can go with a gloss one or a matte one, and make sure that you take a lipstick that suits your complexion and your skin tone, so that it doesn't look more vibrant, or it doesn't give you that dull kind of a look. Choose a lipstick that matches to your skin tone. And my kind of a lipstick is the matte lipstick, because I don't know why, but I have a different obsession for matte lipsticks. So I always go with the Maybelline lipsticks. Probably, to be honest, I only take them because of the fragrance which they have. Like, that is so... Leave the topic over here. So yeah, so I take that one, and you can take a lipstick that is preferred by you or which you want to take. So this is the suggestion I wanted to give you guys. And And one more thing I want to tell you guys is take a basic palette for yourself, and if you're not taking palette and you want that eyeshadows or anything, you can also use a lipstick. Take a little lipstick and rub it on your eyelids, and that would work good. Like I can't tell it might work perfect, but it would work good. So that's all for today guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then just go and subscribe it, and also hit that like button on the face so that I can come up with different more content and videos for you guys. And till then, I wish you guys to have a great day ahead and stay safe. Bye bye.